Let's look at how you can write your PineScript indicators and how you can apply it to your chart. So nice thing about TradingView is that you don't need any third-party tools to write your PineScript and apply it to charts. You can do everything inside TradingView. So you can go to your chart and click Pine Editor, and here in this editor you can write your scripts and apply it to your code easily with this Add to Chart button. Let's add it to see how it works. As you can see, I have super simplistic indicator. It just uploads current close on your chart, so it's quite easy. Also, nice thing is that you can actually store all your indicators and strategy inside TradingView itself. So basically, when you've wrote like a script, you can click a save button, just type your name of your indicator, and this will save it kind of inside TradingView. So here I already saved this as a hello world indicator, and after you save it, you can rename it if you want. You can add it to your favorites to have like a quicker access to this indicator, and also you can actually select a version of the indicator. So basically, every time you change anything and you save it again, TradingView will save this as another version. And if you did something wrong, you actually can click here and just return to a previous version to fix this error. So in Pine Editor you also have this button open, and you can open a script that you saved. So basically you can click here My Scripts, and you will access all the scripts you have saved in TradingView. You can select one of the scripts, and also you have a few more options. So first of all, you can create some blank indicator strategy or library. I will show you the difference between these three in the next videos. But also you can create like a script from default script. So for example, if you want to create a custom version of let's say a MACD indicator, you can click, for example, here to MACD strategy, and it will paste kind of default code for you, so you don't need to create it from scratch. And after that you can modify it and save as your own kind of modified strategy. So I find this quite useful, and you can see you have quite a lot of kind of default strategies, most popular strategies. So I think it's worth to check them first before like writing some code that based on the standard kind of indicators. Also here you can see publish a script button. So TradingView has really huge community of traders, so you can decide to share your work with others. And you can do this in a few ways. So you can create like open source code, open to use. So basically people will be allowed to use your script and also see the code. You can publish it as an indicator with a closed code, but still free to use. And also if you have a premium account, you can create invite only indicators. So basically you can choose explicitly people who can use your indicator. Also here on the right you will find three dots, and you can click on it, and you can find here few pretty useful kind of resources as well. So first of all, you can make a copy of your current script. If you saved one, you can create a copy of it, and you can kind of keep modifying it as a copy and not just touch the script you had before. And also you can find here a few pretty useful resources to learn PineScript. You can see PineScript documentation, PineScript reference guide. Here you can see PineScript reference guide as a pop-up. So basically I believe that this should be like the first thing you check if you have any problems with your PineScript. So for example, if you're looking how a certain function works, for example, you're interested in a simple moving average, you can just type it in the search and you will find all the functions that kind of have this keyword in it, and you can click on it. You can see how it works. You can see some examples. So I think it's quite useful resource. You should definitely check it if you have any issues. And also you have a few more interesting resources here. You can just, for example, see Pine Editor keyboard shortcuts. You can find some Pine coded resources, some other Pine tutorials, and also you can ask a question directly from here on Stack Overflow. If you have like a problem you cannot solve yourself, you can go to Stack Overflow and ask the community to help you.